Okay guys, we are out here and we are heading back to do the food plot update, as you guys can tell from the title. Look at these weeds. These things are almost as tall as me. I'm like 5'7", 5'8", which I'm kind of tall, I'm kind of short too. But either way you go, these weeds are tall. They're like 5'7", like 5'7", something like that. These are some tall looking weeds. I may have to come back here and kind of just slightly go over this with our lawnmower to be able to see the food plot. Now watch out for snakes because I'm wearing shorts and stuff. Wearing my favorite shoes. I don't want to get bit. Oh, Hershey, I thought that was a deer. Got my Rocky Mountain Elk Federation knives for my protection. If it came to it, which I hope it doesn't. And it looks to be that the food plot has been overtaken by weeds. Yay. Well, not 100% overtaken, but it's getting there. It's got weeds all over it. I would come over the top of it and mow on 6, but it might kill some of my radishes, so I can't. We'll just have to do something down here. Basically, guys, food plot update. You know, actually, this is food plot grass. This is food plot. This grass here is about knee high. There's everything back in here. Not really a whole lot going on back here. A little mineral lick. Got a trail cam on it. Deer tracks in it. Ooh! That was weird. Got a little run going right to it. Comes right in front of my camera. Man, I need to check this thing. If I do this. Oh, there we go. Still charge. Off. On. It's still got charge. Getting pretty close to being dead though. Gotta take this baby out. Check my little camera card when I get home. So, that's the food plot, guys. Pretty excited for this deer season. Clover's coming out from this. Growing up pretty good, so it's just turning out pretty nice. Right here, I'm gonna trim those branches up a little bit. Weed eat right in here. In about September, I'm gonna put a stone or blind right here. This exact spot right here. Overlooking this whole food plot. You can tell the difference between that right there is weeds. This right here is food plot. I'll take you guys to where I planted the corn. I'll show you guys some of these radishes if I can find them. What the heck is this thing? What the heck is this plant? Makes a weed. Yeah, let's see if I can find some radishes. They're everywhere, but they blend in. Pretty good. Pretty good, like really good. Huh. There's gotta be some radishes out here somewhere. I mean, I know there's radishes out here. Here. What is this? It's not a radish, that is a turnip. Or not a turnip. A, beet. I planted literally everything you could think of out here. I planted radishes, turnips, beetroot, or beets. I planted everything. Oh, look, that's a pretty good run. Oh my gosh, I've been zoomed in this whole time. I'm sorry, guys. Pretty good run they made going through there. Ah, something got me. Here we go. Finally. Right there. That is a radish. Or a turnip. I don't know which. I can't tell the difference. Deer can. I guess there's something in there. If you guys know what that was, tell me in the comments. Here is my little Oh man. Oh, hey, it's good. Cool. Cowhead. Jawbone's gone though. Well, part of it. Well, that's okay though. That's okay. Also a trail coming through here. Trail coming back here. Whoa, wait. Oh, watch out for the stinging nettle. Oh, if you guys know what stinging nettle is. Oh man. You know why I'm saying watch out. If you know what it is, if you've been stung by it. Oh my gosh. Stinging nettle, right there. See those little fuzzy things? Those ain't fuzzy things, they hurt. Bad. And I'm definitely not going over to that trail cam right now. It's right there. Because the forest of stinging nettle in my path. I have trail cams back there. Here's a deer stand. Trail cams way back there in that area, and there's one over here now. I forgot to turn that one on to picture instead of video, so that's great. Close to 2 weeks of video, and we can't really watch videos on that trail cam, so that kind of sucks. I don't know. Didn't really see any deer. Had my little pocket binoculars ready. See how that. See if I can. Oh wait, that's not good. See if I can. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. And I think I messed up. What? Oh yeah. Cool. That was cool. But guys, thanks for watching. I swear if there's a foot in this. Weird looking spiders on that thing. I don't care about the stinging nettle. I got stung! Okay, thanks for watching. Oh my gosh, it wasn't something serious. It was just a small sting. While I'm back here, I gotta show you guys another part of the food plot. Oh man, I hate stinging nettle. See, stinging nettle hurts when you get it direct. It feels like straight pain. That ain't a stinging nettle sting. I don't know what that is, but it hurts bad. I'm itching. Man, I'm itching. Ooh, I'm itchy. Here's a little corn. Got my leg right there too. Man, a little bit cornfield looking thing. See some of my corn coming up in it. So that's gonna be standing corn this year. Later this year. Just a few minutes ago when we were on our way home, we had to run town that way. There was just 2 big bucks out in the field, like good bucks. Not far at all from where I live. And they weren't super big, but they were decent bucks. They were shooters. Honestly, any buck's a shooter if you ask me. But yeah. Well, today is Friday the 2nd. Yeah. Yes, July 2nd, 2021. Excited for the 4th. We're gonna throw some fireworks up in the sky. They're gonna go pew! 4th of July is one of the most American things, if you ask me. It's a really redneck thing too. It's one of the most redneck things you can find. Because it literally gives people a legal reason to shoot explosives into the sky and to watch things go boom. What person doesn't love that? If you're one of those people that don't like that, please don't go and leave a whole story on why you don't like that. Oh my gosh, what was that? What in the cassicles? Why am I being chased by bees? I'm gonna fall and bust my face open if I keep running like this. It's still chasing me! It's American. Because America. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. Just America. Love being able to live free in our country. Thanks to those people who fought for us and have served in the military. If you served in the military, thank you very much. Many people have fought for our freedom, and that's the reason that we can still be free to this day, is because people are willing to make the sacrifice of taking time out of their lives, risking their lives, and some even losing their lives for this country that they love so much that they would actually go out, fight for our freedom, and die for it. I mean, it's something amazing that our country's just amazing. And I get upset because I see people, well, older than me a little bit, older than me, like people in their teens and stuff on YouTube and TV, and some people in their 20s that aren't proud to live in America. I mean, seriously though, why not? America we're lucky that we get to live here, have our freedom, do what we want, celebrate our freedom on the 4th and even any other day. Yes, the 4th of July. That is the birth.
No
but if you ask me,
here, so
every single day,
I have no idea.
we should be celebrating our freedom.
They made sense, and
instead
they did
of
not make sense.
Just,
so,
oh well, I'm not really that proud to be American because of all this stuff. To choose the lifestyle we want, choose what we want to do, to choose how we want to live our lives, what kind of job we want, what kind of job, anything, that we get to choose that, instead of some countries where your job is chosen for you. What you do when you get older, it's chosen for you. Your lifestyle is chosen for you. You can't do what you want. And it's just, I don't know, it gets me kind of mad that people are, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. I'm just throwing words out and hoping they make sense. That's what I always do. But I'm just saying, I'm glad to live in America. And I'm glad that we are able to have our freedom, do what we want every day. And there are people out there that aren't glad we live in America, and that's their business, that's their problem. I don't know, I know a bunch of people that have, from other people that have talked about other countries where they've moved to America, and there's so many people that are just, I don't know, like I said, throwing words out. So many people proud to live in America, so many that aren't, but none of that really matters, because that's their business. But, I'm just glad to live in America. If any of you guys are too, well then, leave a like. I don't really know how many people of my viewers are from America, probably a lot of them. But, who really cares? We get our freedom every day. We gotta do what we want. I've said this like 1,000 times already in this little short video, or this short clip, but, it's freedom. At least we get to live here, so America. Glad we have our freedom. So, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you did enjoy this video. I'm Austin. You've been watching AKW Farms. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bucky, how are you not getting shocked? Your neck is literally against the fence. There you get shocked. Hi, Daisy. Hi, Shiva. Hi, Natalie. I'll make this little clip at the end of the video just to say a few more things. I know, you guys don't want to hear me blab anymore about freedom. But what I was basically saying was, yeah, there's some people older than me, some people my age that don't like living in America, that they aren't proud to be. Mostly, I think, because they don't understand the sacrifices that have to be made for us to have this country that we live in. What people have done for this country so that we can live here to this day. But, you know, I had both my grandpas, one uncle, my great-grandpas. I know of a bunch. There's just a lot of people in my family. I have family that fought in World War II, World War I, I'm pretty sure, and just farther on down the line. And a lot of my family has been fought in wars. But, you know, they fought for our freedom, and that we're... So, yeah, I don't know. I'm just, like I said, throwing out words, hoping they make sense. So, see you guys. So